Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today with 2020 Ford Mustang, stock number 7204. It's ran from the 10th 2017 to the 4th 2023. Has an FN 5 litre 8 cylinder Coyote engine backed by a 10 speed automatic transmission. This is a 5 litre V8 Coyote Mustang engine. Left front 19-inch factory America tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear 19-inch factory America tyre, left hand tail light, rear boot lid no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 19-inch factory America tyre, right front door 1 dent and paint chips, right hand door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,